Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to check speed of Wi-Fi in mobile. We start by opening Chrome and doing a search with the words speed test. After that, we will see a first result with the option to run speed test and click on it. Next, the speed test for both upload and download will begin. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, it will show you a summary of the speed of your internet connection on your cell phone. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.